Hello, Boat here! You may not be aware of this, but today is Red Nose Day! Apparently, there's something to do with being funny! I hate things that are funny! They're the worst! There's also something to do with red noses! My nose is red enough already! But I did actually go out and get this little guy! Good looking guy, isn't he? There's one thing missing though. It's like a little miniature me on me. But since it's Red Nose Day anyway, I might as well tell you a few jokes, because I know the best jokes. What's brown and sticky? A poo! Haha! Just joking. It's actually a stick. What's green and slippery? A green slipper. What's white and can't climb trees? A refrigerator. What did Batman say to Robin just before they got into the car? Get into the car, Robin! A horse walks into a bar. The bartender says, "You're a horse!" What do you get if you cross a dog with a tree? Frustrated! They're in no way genetically compatible! I hate that so much! How are blondes like bowling balls? They're not! Not even remotely! Ah! How do you confuse a blonde? Throw forks at it! Ha 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 ha! What's my favorite food? Botan chips! Wait, hold on. I don't even get that one. Who wrote this rubbish? I think that's quite enough of that for now. I hate jokes. I'll be back soon. Until then...
I hate you so much.